Hello. The Turkish defense industry has achieved yet another milestone in their defense production, as their firm Aselsan has introduced a close-in weapon system that is called GOKDENIZ. It is a 35 mm air-burst ammunition. Uh, it is highly effective against anti-ship missiles. The system with the automatic linkless ammunition feed mechanism allows to load both high explosive incendiary and air burst ammunition at the same time and switching between ammunition types as needed. In addition to anti-ship missiles, GOKDENIZ is also effective against helicopters, fighters, UAVs, and asymmetric surface naval threats. As for now, there are only 4 or 5 countries in the world, including Russia and United States, that manufacture these kind of systems. This is maybe called the last line of defense for a naval ship. When its missile defenses fail, then this close-in weapon system that fires at a very high rate, uh, then it tries to defeat that threat to that naval ship or any defended area on land, because this system can also be used on land
Army is
also.
the Aselsan close-in
It
weapons
is
system, a
according
naval-based
to its
version of the Korka air
specifications,
defense system
it
that is
has a
based on a land
effective
vehicle.
operation
It's
at
armed
sea
with two
in sea
35 mm
status
cannons
0 to
and
5
radars for
with
tracking and
stabilized
engaging
gun turret,
targets such as sea-skimming
automatic
missiles,
target
small
tracking with the
UAVs, and
integrated
any other
tracking
potential
platform
asymmetric
including
threats that
tracking
a ship
radar
might
and
face
EO
in modern
sensors.
warfare. It includes
It has
electro-optical
an
sights,
optional 3D
and it is
search
an
radar
autonomous
also.
system that can be left to
It has
operate on its own
autonomous
or with a
operation
man in the loop.
capability and
It
combat
fires
management
the
system
Aselsan developed
integration.
air bursting round that has been specifically
It
designed to engage
fires at a
missiles
rate
and
of
small
Yara
UAVs.
1100 rounds per minute, ability to load both air burst and high explosive incendiary, that is called HEI ammunition. It its first prototype was tested on Turkish Navy ship in May 2018. It was also tested against a high-speed target drone that represented anti-ship missile. It has been tested in sea skimming scenario and kill at a long range. So, with this product, the Turkish industry now stands out among the nations of the world and among the 4 or 5 other makers of these type of close-in weapon systems. And this all I have seen achieved in last 20 years or so, because in 1990s I remember that the Turkish submarines were mostly German, and its army, its tanks and aircraft were of mostly American origin. And for their upgrade, once they used, uh, they hired an Israeli firm also. So now the Turkish defense industry is quite matured and is making products that are very high end and certainly giving competitions to other uh, weapons manufacturers of the world. That's all for now. Take care.